The construction pieces I'll be using today can be bought at your local Walmart. For this build, we'll need a styrofoam head, a styrofoam circular base, a 5/8 inch dowel, painter's tape, a drill and a 5/8 bit, a tape measure, a miter saw and guide box, a pencil, and wood glue. The first step is to measure and find the center of the circular base. Once you've marked that, you can drill a hole directly perpendicular through the center. This is where the dowel is going to go. The next step is to cut the dowel. I've already made one stand out of this one, and dowels usually come in lengths of 36 inches or so.